20 classic cars. Some run, most don't. From forgotten barn finds to near road-ready survivors, these are real listings, real prices, and real conditions. Let's take a closer look. 1. 1974 Pontiac Grand Prix, $4,000. Located in Bellefonte, Pennsylvania, this 1974 Pontiac Grand Prix is finished in orange with an automatic transmission. Mileage is not specified. The seller purchased it as a project but lost interest. The engine will start, however it sputters and shuts off after a few seconds, indicating it is not currently road ready. Rust is present under the vinyl top, especially around the window areas. Overall, this is a non-running project that will require mechanical diagnosis and rust repair before returning to service. 2. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe, $2,600. Offered in Simpsonville, South Carolina, this white 1976 Corvette shows 47,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and 350 high-output engine. It does not run or drive, and the rear brakes are frozen after sitting for approximately 15 years. The engine turns over manually, and numerous new parts are included, such as ignition components, fuel system parts, and rear assembly pieces. The interior color combination is noted as one of roughly 300 produced. With a clean title in hand, this is a complete but full restoration project. Three, 1978 Buick LeSabre Turbo Coupe, $3,000. Located in Plainfield, Illinois, this orange turbo sport coupe shows 90,000 miles and retains its original 231 V6 turbo engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller revived it after decades of storage, and it previously ran, but it currently has no spark and does not drive. Mechanical components such as the carburetor, turbo, distributor, fuel tank, and suspension parts have been rebuilt or replaced. The car will need floor pan repair, brake service, tires, and some interior work. It is complete and numbers matching, but requires towing and continued restoration. Four, 1966 Mercury Parklane Hardtop, $2,500. This blue 1966 Mercury Parklane in Maryville, Tennessee shows 55,423 miles and is powered by a 410 V8 with automatic transmission and power steering. It has been off the road since the 1990s and is currently non-running. The seller describes it as solid and states it has been in the same family since new. A clean Tennessee title is included. It represents a long-stored full-size project needing full mechanical recommissioning. Five, 1967 Ford Fairlane Ranchero, $2,500. Offered in McDonough, Georgia, this green Ranchero shows 63,000 miles and is equipped with a 289 engine and 3-speed manual transmission. The seller describes it as a barn find with no rust. It runs and drives well, though cosmetic work is needed. Compared to other listings in this group, this example appears mechanically usable but cosmetically half-finished. It stands as a light restoration candidate rather than a complete rebuild. Six, 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, $4,000. Located in Detroit, Michigan, this Solar Gold Edition Trans Am features an automatic transmission and has been stored for a long period. It is described as far from running and will require significant restoration work. The body shows rust consistent with age, though the frame is reported as not rusted through. Some parts are included in the trunk, but still need installation. With a clean title and firm price, this is a substantial restoration project. Seven, 1962 Ford Falcon, $5,000. This black 1962 Ford Falcon in Pacific, Missouri shows 50,000 miles and runs a 289 V8 with C4 automatic transmission. The seller states it runs and drives, though it needs an alignment and wiring work for gauges and lights. The body is described as straight and rust-free. Additional parts are included in the sale. Among these listings, this appears to be one of the more operational vehicles, requiring moderate mechanical attention rather than a full overhaul. Eight, 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL, $2,700. Offered in Vicksburg, Michigan, this blue 450 SL shows 110,000 miles with automatic transmission. It was previously running, but now only cranks and does not start. The body and paint are described as good, and the interior is considered decent. It includes both a removable hardtop and a soft top, though the soft top canvas requires replacement. This is a non-running European roadster project needing mechanical troubleshooting. Nine, 1973 Cadillac Coupe Deville, $4,000. Located in Euclid, Ohio, this brown Coupe Deville shows 75,000 miles and is powered by a 472 V8 with automatic transmission. The seller reports it runs and drives and has received a new carburetor, fuel lines, and brake components. Floors and trunk are described as solid. It will require new tires and likely a radiator replacement. Compared to many others in this list, this car appears closer to road-ready condition. Ten, 1977 Buick LeSabre Custom, $2,500. This black two-door 1977 Buick LeSabre in Rantoul, Illinois is equipped with an Oldsmobile 350 V8 and automatic transmission. The engine starts and runs, but the transmission is not functioning and has not been diagnosed. There is a hole in the driver's side floor pan approximately the size of a softball. The vehicle has a clean title and must be purchased in person. Realistically, this is a drivetrain and floor repair project with solid potential for someone willing to invest the work.
Eleven, 1955 Chevrolet Handyman two-door wagon, $3,500. Located in Selmer, Tennessee, this 1955 Chevrolet Handyman two-door wagon is described as a rough project vehicle. Mileage is listed as 999,999 miles, though actual mileage is unknown. The car will require full floor pan replacement and additional metalwork. It retains its cowl tag, but the original VIN was missing and has been reassigned by the state of Tennessee. A clean Tennessee title is included in the seller's name. Overall, this is a heavy restoration project suited for someone prepared for significant structural repair. Twelve, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $2,500. Offered in Plainfield, Illinois, this orange 1965 Mustang Coupe shows 100,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. It is described simply as a project car with limited additional details provided. The vehicle has had one owner and is paid off. No running condition is specified in the listing. Based on the information given, it should be considered a restoration candidate, requiring inspection before any road use. Thirteen, 1953 Mercury Monterey Hardtop Coupe, $3,800. Located in Lawrence, South Carolina, this 1953 Mercury Monterey two-door hardtop is a non-running project vehicle. It no longer has its original engine or transmission and was previously set up for a small block V8 with a manual gearbox. The trim, bumpers, grille, and front bench seat are included. A current 2026 South Carolina title is in the seller's name. The car will need to be trailered and represents a full mechanical and restoration build. $14. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle, $5,000. Offered in Springfield, Illinois, this 1969 Chevelle shows 96,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The car has rust and will likely require floor pan replacement and possible frame repair. The seller notes the vehicle is complete and includes a second frame and additional body parts if needed. A clean title is available. This is a structural restoration project rather than a ready-to-drive example. $15. 1978 Ford F-150 Super Cab Long Bed, $4,000. Located in Newcastle, Indiana, this orange 1978 F-150 Super Cab shows 120,000 miles and features a 400 big block V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive. It runs and drives with no reported mechanical issues. The truck has paint and body imperfections but remains structurally usable. It has upgraded 3/4-ton axles and a clear title in the seller's name. Compared to many others in this group, it appears mechanically functional but cosmetically worn.
$16. 1969 Ford Galaxie 500, $2,500. This blue 1969 Ford Galaxie 500 in Green Bay, Wisconsin is powered by a 390 V8 with automatic transmission. The vehicle currently does not start, though the seller has installed new spark plugs, wires, distributor, and battery. It previously ran smoothly but has been sitting for an extended period. The body is described as mostly solid with minimal rust, aside from a small rear area. It will need towing and mechanical troubleshooting before being road ready. $17. 1963 Chevrolet Impala, $2,500. Offered in Atlanta, Georgia, this blue 1963 Chevrolet Impala shows 20,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. A new engine has been installed, but the vehicle does not currently run. It is being sold as a mechanic special and will require additional work to get operational. The car has no key and must be towed. It represents a project opportunity for someone familiar with early 1960s Chevrolet platforms. $18. 1973 Ford F-350 XLT pickup, $2,500. Located in Dunlap, Tennessee, this blue 1973 Ford F-350 extended cab shows 85,000 original miles and is equipped with a 390 V8. The truck does not have a transmission installed and has no tailgate. Factory air conditioning and the rear seat remain in place. The sale includes only a bill of sale, as there is no title. This is a drivetrain incomplete project truck requiring major mechanical work before use. $19. 1976 Lincoln Continental Signature Sedan, $500. Offered in Tuskilwa, Illinois, this red 1976 Lincoln Continental is being sold in partial condition before being scrapped. The top has been cut off, the hood is missing, and the left rear fender has been cut. Some components remain, including the dash, aluminum wheels, jack, owner's manual, and documentation such as the title and build sheet. It is best viewed as a parts car rather than a restoration candidate. At $500, it is primarily a salvage opportunity. 1977 Ford F-250 long bed, $2,000. Located in Caryville, Tennessee, this blue 1977 Ford F-250 features a 350M engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has been sitting for years, but retains a clean title in the seller's name. The bed is heavily rusted and described as junk, though it may serve as a project or parts truck. It will require inspection and recommissioning before any road use. Overall, it stands as a budget entry into late 1970s Ford heavy-duty platforms. That's the full lineup: projects, drivers, and parts cars. Some need everything, some just need time. If you had to pick one to save, which one would it be?